A quick oil change here on a Niro 2019 plug-in hybrid. So first thing, here's the oil. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, SAE OW20. Lift the dipstick a little bit, just get some venting. I jacked it up here. There's a jack point here. Just had a piece of wood cut out for the jack point. Then I got my jack stand here, and you see there's an oil, engine oil here, and an oil filter here. So we got to remove those two plates and get access to the plug and the filter. So I've taken off. Here you can see the oil filter and the oil plug is right there. You need 17 millimeter for that, and you need 10 millimeter to take these covers off. So next step, I'm going to drain the oil by unscrewing that. Cleaned off the oil drain plug. I'm going to put that back in, and then we'll do the filter. Okay, so we got one of these I got from O'Reilly. I'll put the link in the description. I put an extension, and this is going to help make taking out the filter a lot easier, because it's in there really tight. Alright, so I got the new filter here. Official Hyundai, Niro, Kia part here. And I just gotta take this wrapper off. It's a Mobile 1 OW20. Just gonna put a little bit in here to start it off. Just put it on the seams here. And we're ready to put it back in. The new one. Oil here, it's about 4 quarts they say, so I'm going to fill 4 quarts, including the one that I used for the filter, and then I'm going to start the engine and check for leaks, and then check the dipstick again. Last step, I just having the motor run. I'm just checking for any leaks before I seal up these pads. But fill up 4 quarts in. Ran the engine for a few minutes, and now we're gonna check the dipstick here. And looks like we're good. It looks like we're full here. You can see it's just under the F, which is good. You don't want to go over too much. Okay, last step is you want to go to user settings, start your car up, you hit this top button up here, and you come down to service interval and enable center adjust interval, and I put mine, I put it at 10,000, but you know what, I'm gonna put it down to 9,500 just to be safe. Oops, 90 months, that's a lot. Okay, and we're all set.